Hi, welcome guys. My name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing the course name is Master of Arts Russian. So, if you are looking for this course, this is the best course for you. And before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of consultation service for this all type of courses. If you need any information or if you need any type of support, we are here for you. And we also provide the pdf and the handwritten assignments, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682238, where you can contact us on our WhatsApp, and you can call or message whichever you like. And here the we are discussing the question we are discussing the course, which is the degree of Master of Arts MA Russia. So this is the open distance learning course. Open distance learning course means that you have not to go the institution for the study. You can learn from your notes at home. You have to just go for the exams. This is the school of foreign languages because this is a Russian language, so it is the foreign language school. This is a 2-year course. This is the English medium course. This is a Russian specialization. Eligibility is if you have a BA in Russian or a graduate in any discipline with advanced diploma, so you are eligible for this course. Fee structure is given here, which is 10,800 is the full fees and 5,400 is a per year fees. And the exam coordinator is also there. If you need any other related advanced information, so contact us. We will provide all the question that you have in your mind. So we will provide all the related queries related to this course. Thank you so much. We will providing here to the all type of related queries on this platform. So thank you so much for watching.